In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase Spending Insights feature. So if you haven't yet set up any budget, head over to the Spending Planner or the Spending Insights feature that is available on the Chase mobile application. In this video, let me show you the way on how you use it. Now you'll be able to find this feature within your home screen which says Spending Planner. You can just head over to this option, and within this option, you'll be able to keep track of all of your spendings. You can view all of your categories that you may have added in and exactly take a look at how much money that you spend on each of these categories. If you haven't yet built a budget inside of this section as well, you have the option of adding in different sort of categories so that you can set a pre-budget amount. Also, you can toggle between different months such as current month or previous any sort of months as well in order to look at your spending activities. You can also compare trends. You use the inbuilt feature to compare the trends on the 3-month average as well. Apart from this, what you can also do is, as I said, you can add in your budgets so that you can add in the exact budget that you like for each particular items. So for example, if you set a $500 budget for your monthly bills, you'll be able to exactly visualize it in the budget section. So this is the way that you use the Chase Spending Insights feature. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.